How to remove a green screen in Capcut Mobile. But before we get into the video, I would like you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our videos. Import your green screen video and your background video into your Capcut Mobile. As soon as you do that, both videos are automatically going to show on your timeline. Go to your green screen video, select it. Now go to the panel below your timeline and look for overlay. Tap on overlay and it will bring your green screen video to the timeline under your background video. Now sync it. Select your green screen video and go to the panel below your timeline again and look for the remove BG icon. Tap on remove BG. Tap on chroma key. Drag your color picker to the green color of your green screen. And as soon as you do that, you are going to see your background video already. Even when you have done that, you might see some green spills or shades. Don't be alarmed. You can decrease this with your intensity slider. So, increase your intensity slider. But be careful so that it doesn't make your green screen video transparent. Play to check whether it has been done to your satisfaction. And that is how to remove a green screen on Capcut Mobile.